Hey, what's up everybody? It's Flux with Fluxwithit.com, and today I'm talking about a free drum pack and multi-effects pack that I'm going to be giving out. The only way to get this pack is if you are signed up to the free newsletter over at Fluxwithit.com. The link is going to be in the description, and I don't spam. I send out messages pretty infrequently, but when I do, it's usually either important or just about some interesting new articles that are coming out. So anyway, let's get to this pack. This is just basically my take on some classic drum breaks, and I've laid them out so that they're finger drum ready. And also I've done 5 classic drum breaks, A through F, or A through E, excuse me, and F through H is multi-effects to use with those. So we'll start over here on the Otis kit. And I've also gone ahead and done 8 patterns to go with each of these groups. So essentially just some really nice classic breaks to get you guys going and having fun. And I'll show you what some of these effects do as well. Check this out. So I've got this break right here. And what I'm going to do now is I'll send it out to, let's send it out to F. So essentially, lots of just interesting little drum breaks and whatnot for you to mess with, and some multi-effects kits to just kind of freak them out and have fun, you know? So head over to fluxwithit.com, sign up for the free newsletter. That way I can keep you informed on, nerdy and interesting things. And, while you're at it, check out the Dystopia Machine expansion pack that's on sale now. It's got lots of multi-effects kits and drum kits and instruments and all that good stuff for you. So anyway, this is Flux, fluxwithit.com. Peace.